I have jam-packed everything from BattlBox 123 into the backpack that comes with it. Let's see what's in there. First off, we got the DEFCON 5 Tactical Products pack. Check this out. But inside, let's see. That's not a knife. This is a knife. The Sib Grande from Condor. This is going to be a workhorse. Thin, light in the hand, do some really good chopping, and nimble enough to do some carving too. I'm going backwards today. This is in the Pro Plus box. In the Pro box is the pack itself. We've already talked about it. This is the VFX all-in-one water filter. Pretty good setup. You can take the top off and fill it up with water rather easily, which is a nice thing to have. Plus, you have the tube. You can put this all the way through the water filter, let it gravity feed, or you can use pressure to push it through as well. And you got a cutoff valve here. It works extremely well for that gravity situation that you might want to utilize in the field in the backcountry. In the basic box, we have Atwood rope paracord. We also have, and I've already put these in these little tubes, but you have these towelettes made from bamboo. I put, I think, 11 of these in here in a waterproof container. Take this. I tell you what, let's go to the water and show you how this works. These are great for hygiene. You can keep these in a kit bag or small area in your backpack, and they'll soak up water off you if you need to dry, or you can soak up water. Watch how much this expands. It's that quick. And Yuko stormproof matches. Yeah, we got to go to the water again. Check this out. So that's mission 123 from BattlBox. Don't forget your mission brief's got all the info in it. Put it in your pack. Ready to rock. Let's go get wild with Craig Caudill from Nature Reliance and BattlBox.